get
Yeah, I don't know how
bonded to the other because it's going to be cooling down, and then this little hot thing is going to come right by and stick to it, and they'll stick to each other, and then it comes around. So that's a good one too.
Yeah, I don't know if the screws inside or the threads are going to be enough for precise enough, but I guess we'll find out.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
You'll so the kind of
Do I?
use use the spatula.
Yeah.
Just kind of dig under there.
Yeah. Perfect.
And bring it up because that applies the least force. You don't want to yank on it.
Yeah.
Because if there's any weak part, or if there's any kind of like a fine or delicate part, that's gonna just you could break it off.